I'm at the Lavino pool to catch up with some members of Lawrenceville's first ever diving team and their coach. So guys, where did you get the idea to start a new diving team?
Well, I started diving my freshman year, and then I came here and I was sad to find out that there wasn't a diving team, but I joined swimming anyway, and I didn't want to swim the 200 free, and I found out that there was diving there, so I asked if I could dive instead of swim that event, and that's how I started practicing. After that, my sophomore year, and then junior year was when Thomas came.
Right, and I've been diving since 6th grade, and I heard about Amber diving in the meets before I got here, so I was optimistic towards diving. I knew that the program was definitely a work in progress, but me and Amber did a really good job putting the program together this past year.
So the diving board was just recently installed. What does this installation mean to you guys?
So we're definitely super excited and super happy that it was finally installed. There were times, because we dove off campus all last year, and really having a diving board on campus was a dream for us. And we're super grateful and super excited that the board is on campus this year.
Personally, for me, I'm really excited that we're on campus again because I really missed being able to practice with all the swimmers, even though I didn't, swimming wasn't my sport yet or again. And so just having it on board and being able to be with all my friends again means a lot.
Coach, how do you think a diving team adds to the school community?
Oh wow, well diving has long been a part of swimming, but for the last 15 years we've been missing the diving component of the swim and dive team. And now that we have a diving board in the pool area, we can bring back the diving. And I've really seen the swimmers embrace the divers. Our first home dive meet was just a dive meet, and the Lawrenceville swimmers came out and they were cheering like crazy, "Go Big Red," every time one of our divers got up on the board. So it adds a lot of team spirit, and it gives the kids another outlet to express their athleticism.